get started, I'm going to add my oil, and I'm going to allow it to heat for at least 5 minutes. And I will add my Maggi cube. So now we have the Maggi cube completely mixed with the oil. I'm going to add the mixture. It looks green because I added the green pepper. That is why. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. So it's well cooked now. I'm going to add the pepper. I added 2 habanero pepper in here, so I'm only adding 2 tablespoons of powdered pepper. And I'm also going to allow this to cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes before I add my tomato paste. I'm going to add the tomato paste in here now. And I'm not going to add the tomato sauce right away, because I wanted the tomato paste to actually cook well before I add anything else to the stew. So this is 18 ounces of tomato paste. You can use any tomato paste of your choice. You can also use fresh tomatoes. I personally just love tomato paste. It gives the rice like a whole new look. So now our tomato paste is cooked. I'm going to add the tomato sauce. This is 15 ounces of tomato sauce. It's just for me, you know, I live alone, so I guess if you're cooking for like a large number of people, you're gonna have to use a lot of stuff. But this is basically it. I'm going to add my curry powder and nutmeg right away and just have everything cooked together. So I'm going to allow it to cook for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I really want the stew done, like, you know, well done, before I add the rice. Alright, so our stew is almost done. I'm adding the meat. I fried it, so and I'm just going to stir. Allow the meat to cook with the stew for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll scoop some of the stew out before I add the rice. So I'm going to scoop some of the stew out. I'm actually taking all the meat out as well because I don't want it to cook with the rice until like I'm halfway through. So I took half of the stew out. I already rinsed the rice. I'm going to add the rice. And I'm going to add my beef stock to it too. So the rice is basically 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to it and allow it to cook for at least 30 to 40 minutes on medium heat. Alright, so I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. And I'm setting my heat to medium. Allow it to cook. Alright, so now we actually going to focus on the vegetable stir fry. So with the stir fry, I'm actually starting off with a little bit of oil, just like a tablespoon. And I'm going to allow it to heat for 1 to 3 minutes. And I'm going to stir fry, keep frying it, like stirring it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You want the heat to be on the low, okay? I don't like my veggie steamed, but I want to stir fry it because I like my veggie stir fried. So when it's almost done, you will see that the color of the veggies will start changing. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to it. You can use adobo, but I'm using meat seasoning. I'm using like a salt instead of just adding salt, but this is true. It smells good. So it's all done for me now. I don't like my veggies tender, so this is it. See it? It's really nice. But I will show you guys what I'm going to do with it later on. Alright, so I am going to check it and then add my stew. I'm not going to add water. I'm just going to use the stew and the heat to cook the rice. So I'm going to mix the stew with it, with the rice, and allow it to cook for like 30 to 40 minutes on low heat. Alright, so I'm going to allow it to cook now. For at least 40 to 45 minutes on low heat. So this is the final of the jollof rice. I turn off the light so you can actually see how it looks. You see it? Yes. I think with the light you can't really see how it looks, so let me go ahead and turn off the light again. You see it? Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you share, like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, this is Willie's Kitchen. Customer, Allah,